everybody. Welcome to Perfect eLearning channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I'm going to give you a brief about what all we're going to study in this week. So are you guys ready for some amazing topics coming up this week? Well, to start with, the first topic that we are going to study is about class methods and static methods. Okay? So how many of you are aware as in, what is a class method, what is a static method, and how many of you know what is the difference between the two, and when to use the class method, when to use the static method, and so on. In Python, of course, I'm talking about. So if you know, please drop your answers in the comments. Well, if you don't know, that's also perfectly fine. So I'll tell you a brief. Class methods in Python is a method basically which is bound to the class but not to the object of that class. Okay? The static methods, they are also same, but there are some basic differences. For example, the class method, we need to specify @class method decorator. And for the static ones, we need to specify @static method decorator. Okay? And the static methods, they are used to do some utility tasks. However, the class methods are used for the factory method. Now, what are factory methods? They can return the class objects for different use cases. Alright? So this is a brief about class methods and static methods. Don't worry, we would be going into much more detail with proper examples. But before that, I would like to tell you the other topic for this particular week. And the other topic is Google Sheets manipulation using Google Cloud APIs. So this is a Python subject. So how many of you guys are able to understand this topic and know about it? How many of you know about the use case? Okay, well, to begin with, I would like to firstly tell you what is a Google Sheet. For those who don't know, it is a cloud-based spreadsheet that is one of the Google's products. Okay, it can be used for data analytics, data storage, and various other purposes. Alright, so in this topic, we would be studying about how to read data from the Google Sheet, how to write the data, how to update the data, how to alter the data, all that. Don't worry, not manually. We would be using Google Cloud APIs in Python. Doesn't that sound interesting? Well, definitely. So this is a very useful project for all the data scientists out there. You can customize the Google Sheet. You can get the record, everything using Python. Alright? So I'm sure you're able to understand the basics of class and static methods, the basics of Google Cloud APIs, everything. Now, how to develop it, how to use it, we would be understanding in our upcoming videos, which would be launched on Wednesday, that is 3rd of August, and on Friday, that is 5th of August. Okay? And for the notifications, you definitely need to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get the updates. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.